Hey guys, how are you all? Please let me know in the below comment section. In this video I am sharing how to prepare groundnut chutney powder, and this is my first recipe video and please do watch it. Ingredients are groundnut, red chilies, coriander seeds, tamarind, few garlic, little bit of jaggery and salt for taste. Firstly, you need to roast the groundnut for about 10 minutes in a medium flame. After the groundnut is roasted well, the next step is take 2 spoons of oil and roast the tamarind for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add red chilies and roast for some time. And make sure the flame is medium. Roast the coriander seed separately for about 2 minutes. Add all the roasted item in a mixie jar. Add garlic, jaggery and salt for taste and give a blend in mixer. Once the blend is done, add groundnut into it and again blend it till you get a fine powder. So now the groundnut chutney powder is ready to serve. It can be served with idli, dosa, chapati and roti. Hope you liked watching this video and please do like and subscribe my channel. Till then, take care, bye bye.